How to bid for tree removal. Winning a client for your tree removal service often starts with proving that you can do the job for an acceptable price. If you are new to the business, however, you may find that your bids are either higher than other tree removal services or so low that they do not cover your costs. Although a bid is similar to giving an estimate, customers generally expect you to do the job for the stated amount. Visit the location to get an idea of how difficult it will be to remove the tree. Do not bid on the job without seeing the tree and job site first. Make notes about the job site and work that your crew will have to perform to remove the tree. Ask the tree owner whether he wants the wood hauled away or if he prefers it to be cut and stacked. Calculate the length of time it will take to remove the tree and the numbers of workers needed for the job. Remember to include how many trips you will have to make to haul the tree away and how much gas and materials to do this will cost. Prepare the bid. Break down the cost of the tree removal so the owner knows what you are agreeing to do for the price. Be as specific as possible about the tasks and costs of all materials. As an example, you might write in your bid that you will cut down the tree for $200, haul away all small limbs for an additional $100 and cut and stack the remaining wood for $175. Submit the written bid to the owner. Include your contact information along with the date you can start and how long you estimate that the job will take. Tips. Warnings. Prepare your bid on a computer. It not only looks more professional, but also ensures that the bid is legible so there is no confusion over the amounts listed. It also guarantees you retain a copy